remember, you tap and toggle in sphere map, and then you take that that node and you got this sphere map. Toggle a line and take the draw mesh, you got that, and then you it was that what we do here. Up there is we are okay. Draw mesh, here we are, and then set material. There we put in the clouds, Earth clouds 8K. It's like the same way like we do before the Earth map. Do it like that, and then we go straight forward to transform. And here it's a bit different because I animate two vectors, X and Y. The X and Y axis I animated, but like in the same system like before. When you on the transform, you toggle here to the I show you better like this way. Transform, and when you are in the transform, you toggle in the rotation in the front in this point, and here you take vector 3, and in this vector 3 you toggle first on that and take animation value. In the animation value you go from ramp to endless, and there you must switch the amplitude. I show you after these parameters how it must be. Then also in the go back in the vector 3 and toggle to the J-axis, and there also toggle to the animation value and toggle again to endless. And now I show you these values, what you have to do in the animation value. The first looks so for the x-axis. Look at that parameters and copy these parameters to your file. And in the J-axis the parameters looks like that. Copy all the things what is highlighted a bit more higher, like that. Then we got this this result. Then you put that to a render target, what I was doing before. Then we are here, and now you are again to a key color. You like we do before, take key color, and here you see the parameters what you must put it into the key color. It's very near on the black, I believe so, or it's black or something like that. And now this upper we don't need really, but this one we need, this adjust color. Look what I have done here, look the parameters. I put it the background to 0, the transparency, that is the background complete transparent. I believe also you must look at here the same in the Earth, what we have done before in the other sphere line. We have two sphere lines now. The Skylark, I go back to the Skylark sphere line. And now you have this result, end result, and you have this end result from before. And you must put this together in a blend also, like we done before. And when I look, it's this in the upper case, blend, so, and the other one comes from the skylarks to here. Wrong, different, is not a problem. Putting that here back and that here up, and you get this. Oh, it's also wrong. What I have done here, this is here. Ah, okay, now I'm seeing where is the matter. So, it looks not like that. And why it looks not like that? Because the transparencies of the own image I switched. So you must take that down here like I do. Take the same like I was taking here. Like I was taking here. This is the original. Take the same here, 0.4.2, but this is up to you how much you want to do, a little bit. I delete this and we was making that. Just copy this element here and now you can go to a transform out. Transform image, and from this transform image you can make a spout out to take it in arena from this point. And for this spout out thing I make tutorials, separate tutorial. You can find this in my Resolume forum post about the new TiXL 4 or on my YouTube channel, like is the same place where is placed this tutorial here. Okay, now we got everything and I hope you can make that fine. We don't need more. So I delete that because this is the way out here. A transform node. I just put it that to make it smaller. Scale it, scale up, and put it down in the J axis to have this element like a half sphere. Okay. See you next time. Bye bye from Benoit from Mount Switzerland.